Hi, and welcome back to For the Love of Organizing. I'm Laura, and I share my tips on creating an inspired home and life you'll love. Before we jump in, thank you so much for your sweet comments on my recent video, which I'll link to below. And today I have some thrifted and new to us finds to share, starting with snagging a match to our pineapple vase for just $1. I have them both displayed on the table behind our sofa. They are the perfect size for cut blooms for the yard. Look for unique vases at your local thrift store. They come in handy when you want to bring a friend or loved one a small bouquet. In case you're wondering, the wooden tray is from Michael's. I chalk painted it and added just some marble contact paper, and the green ceramic flower was a gift from my mom. Next up, an authentic painting that we purchased for just $12 at an antiques shop during a recent trip to Alabama. Now, I fell in love with the color palette, the mountains in the background, the touch of turquoise, and the hint of fall on the trees. I'd like to frame this and make it a focal point in our home. Always keep your eyes peeled for original artwork with color and character while thrifting. We tend to gravitate towards iron accents in our home and found these wall hooks for just a few dollars, and they have pretty little floral detail. On the coffee bar, I have a new addition, this L mug that was a gift from Anthropology. You can often find these at your local thrift store for just a couple dollars. Also in the kitchen, we've added to our antique glass bottle collection. I saw this idea of displaying old glass bottles in the kitchen window on Pinterest, and I often look for vintage bottles when we're traveling. It's a fun and inexpensive hobby. The water lines on the iridescent bottle are so pretty to me, and I like the unique shape of the turquoise bottle. Two more to share here, including one that my aunt found for me, an old grape soda bottle with lots of texture. In the den, we picked up the two throw pillows you see on the far right and left. They have removable covers for easy laundering, which is key if you're going to purchase secondhand pillows. Now, the velvet pillows were a TJ Maxx purchase, and that ivory pillow in the center was a Ross find. My mom has been making changes around her house, so she gave me this shabby chic plant stand, which is a great fit for our decor. Here's a close-up of the finish. And last, not a thrifted find, but these Better Homes and Garden rugs were marked down to just $3, regular $12 at Walmart. They had them in brown and gray, and they also have a dusty rose and blue combination. So definitely check your local store for lots of markdowns this time of year. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll join me on Instagram and Facebook at For the Love of Organizing. Until my next video.